BiostatDoc here with a new video on creating a template for use with PowerPoint presentations. Here we're going to once again make a template, this time for PowerPoint. In fact, I think that templates for PowerPoint are even more useful than those for Word because PowerPoint typically has fonts that are way too large. If you look at the comparison of the presentation slides that you can create in all of the various formats, the PowerPoint ones typically have a font size that's a little bit large, and so you can't fit as much information onto each one of the slides. So it really does go a long way. In order to make the template, it's very similar to what we did for Word. Basically, we're going to use RStudio to create a new R Markdown document, and in that we're going to choose Presentation to PowerPoint. We're going to call this thing Template because at the end of this exercise, we're going to end up with a template for PowerPoint. So I call it PP Template. So I'll say OK at this point. It's going to give me the usual example document, and I'm going to save that as PP Template from our R Markdown document. And then I'm going to knit this to a PowerPoint. I don't necessarily care what's in this document. I don't care about the items that are on each one of the slides. Rather, I'm just looking at the style. So just like in Word, I'm going to go to the Design tab of PowerPoint. And in that, I'm going to specify all of the various things that I want to about the sizes of these, the sizes and designs of these slides. Now, I should also mention that you can search for the master slide once you've chosen designs. And in that, you have much more granular ability to specify font sizes and things like that for various aspects of the different styles of slides that come out of PowerPoint. And so here we are just looking through, seeing some of the variants of these styles that we can use. So again, these are the macro level changes that you can use just using the designs. Look at the master slide if you want to. Now, once we've done that and saved it, it can then be used forevermore as our template. And so let's make a new PowerPoint presentation. We'll call this one using the template, using PP Template. And we will show you the difference between specifying the template and not specifying it. So once we've done this, it's just the example document. If we were to knit this to PowerPoint, it again would want us to first save the R Markdown file, which we've called using PP Template. And if we generate a PowerPoint presentation, it's going to come out in the default style, default design for PowerPoint, which on my machine looks like this. It's very plain. So if I want to see what this will look like with my pre-specified design elements, then I need to specify the option for PowerPoint presentation that I have a reference doc, and that reference doc is named template.pptx. That's the PowerPoint file in which I've saved all of the design elements that I want to apply to any other PowerPoint presentation that's generated that specifies this template. So here we go. We've got this all specified. Let's go ahead and regenerate a new PowerPoint presentation. And because it is using the design elements of that other file, we get all of those in our new template, in our new presentation, excuse me. So it's a great way to customize however you would like to do your presentations. You can include logos, you can include subtitles and things like that. It really does go a long way, and I hope from seeing this you'll agree that this was a relatively easy thing to invoke. Thanks for joining us. I hope you'll agree that making a template for PowerPoint presentations is well worth the effort. We'll see you soon.